Are you stuck between choosing between a condo or a townhome? One could cost you thousands in maintenance and the other could give you the privacy you've been dreaming of. Either way, if you choose wrong, it could cost you big. All right, so if you've been torn between choosing whether you should buy a condo or a townhome, you are not alone. Condos and townhomes each have their perks, challenges, benefits, pros and cons, and choosing the right one really is going to depend on your lifestyle, budget, and future plans. So in this video, what I'd like to do is break down the key differences, the pros and cons, if you will, buying a condo or a townhome and give you the tools to decide which one is going to be the best fit for you. Hello, Happy New Year, and welcome back to the NSB Weekly. You have made it to the original Living in New Smyrna Beach, Florida YouTube channel, where we bring you everything that's happening in New Smyrna Beach and the greater surrounding area. So things like hidden gems, local spots, events, interviews with locals, and what's going on in real estate. So if you live here or want to live here, this is the channel you need to be on. My name is Chris Shores. My business partner, Tim Loomis, and I, we are the owners of White Whale Real Estate. We love bringing you these videos, so please continue to like, share, subscribe to help us keep showcasing our local community, and let's get to it. Okay, so let's start out with what is a condo. I think that'd be a reasonable spot to start. So condo, for those of you that don't know, condo is short for condominium, and it's like owning an apartment. You own the inside of your unit, but the building and common areas like the hallways, gyms, or pools are going to be shared by others, and they're going to be managed by a homeowners association, also affectionately known as the HOA. So who are the condos great for? They're going to be for people who want low maintenance living, those who enjoy shared amenities like pools and gyms, possibly pickleball courts and other facilities, and buyers looking for a more affordable entry into homeownership in certain markets. So I will put a big disclaimer right there. The prices on condos and townhomes are gonna vary really greatly across the board in the New Smyrna Beach greater area. I will get into prices at the end of the video, so make sure you stick around to kind of see where we're at with prices on both condos and townhomes. Okay, so let's talk about townhomes. A townhome is a multi-level home that you can own. Sometimes they are just single level, but it does include the land it's built on. And while they often do share walls with the neighbors, townhomes usually do give you a little bit more privacy, and sometimes even will have a small yard or patio. So who are they great for? The families that are going to want a little bit more space, those who feel like they want the traditional feel of a home, but want less maintenance, and buyers that are looking for a balance between condo living and a single living or a single family residence. Okay, so let's compare condos and townhomes side by side so you can decide which fits your needs the best. We'll start out with ownership. So with condos, you're going to own the inside of your unit. The HOA owns the building and the land, versus townhomes where you will own the home and the land it's on. Switching over to maintenance, so condos, the HOA is going to handle the exterior maintenance, landscaping, shared areas, other common ground areas like that. Versus the townhomes, you handle the maintenance of your home and the yard, with the exception of some townhomes do have HOAs that will help manage the shared maintenance costs of the exterior of the building and some common ground areas. This is going to depend on the townhome that you select. And costs, we're always concerned about the dollars and cents of it. So condos typically have lower purchase prices, but higher HOA fees due to shared amenities. And again, versus the townhomes, higher purchase price, but lower HOA fees. As far as amenity goes, condos, they often include extras like pools, gyms, community spaces. And the townhomes usually have fewer amenities, but you may have more private space. And lastly, just talking about privacy, the condos is going to be more of a communal living type situation with shared walls and hallways, where the townhomes are going to be a little bit more private with private entries, often fewer shared walls as well. So kind of trying to pick your poison on what you're looking for and what you feel is going to benefit you the best. Again, there's a lot of generalizations going on here with prices and HOA fees and things like that. So it's really imperative that you use a local pro in the area when purchasing a townhome or condo, so that way they can make sure is going to fit your lifestyle the best and obviously your budget as well. You can also click here. We did a video a while ago on the cost of condo living in Florida and the upcoming assessments and milestones that are due. But let's move on to pros and cons of each. So here's a quick breakdown of the pros and cons of buying a condo. So the pro of buying a condo: low maintenance, affordability, the entry point, access to amenities. And the cons, typically you're gonna have higher HOA fees, less privacy, restrictions on renovations or rules set by the HOA. All right, now let's do the same for townhomes. We'll start out with the pros just to keep things consistent. The pros are going to be you're gonna have more space and privacy. It's gonna feel more like a traditional home, and you are going to own the own land, which is a huge benefit. Cons, you're gonna have more maintenance responsibilities. Typically, it's gonna be a higher purchase price. And last, you're gonna have limited amenities compared to the condos. Okay, so a lot of info. How do we decide condo versus townhome? Which one should you buy? So it's really gonna come down to your priorities. Things like if you want low maintenance, shared amenities, and are okay with less privacy. So a condo might be the best fit for you. If you need more space, you value your privacy a little bit more, and you don't mind a little bit more upkeep, a townhome might be the better choice. So here's a quick tip that you could maybe do to help you throughout this process is write down your top 3 must-haves in a home, compare those to what condos and townhomes offer, and you'll have a little bit clearer of an answer. Okay, so as I mentioned earlier in the video, I want to talk a little bit about prices with you guys. Townhomes in the New Smyrna Beach area can range anywhere between like $250,000, $275,000, all the way up to the $1 million+ mark. Same thing with condos. Condos, you can find some below $300,000. Most are gonna really start for any decent ones around the $400,000 price range and go up from there. Sky's the limit. So again, New Smyrna Beach is a little bit different of a market because we are a coastal town. So just make sure that you are using a local pro in your area. That can help guide you on the best one that's gonna fit your lifestyle needs and budget. This was a pretty just basic video on the generalization of condos versus townhomes. So no matter which one you choose, the most important thing is just really finding the place that's going to fit your lifestyle and goals. So whether you are thinking about buying or selling a condo or townhome in the New Smyrna Beach area, or really anywhere in the Volusia County area as a whole, we would appreciate opportunity to earn your business, help you out, guide you, get you pointed in the right direction, make sure you're taken care of. So if you've got any questions, comments, concerns about townhomes, condos in the area, leave a comment below. All of our contact information is in the description below as well. We're easy to find and get a hold of. Let us know what we can do to help you out, and we look forward to seeing you in next week's video.